Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 in Law of Banking and Financial Institutions. This is Professor Dunaway. I hope that you're all having a great weekend. I am posting this on Sunday, June 3rd, so your second assignment is due this evening. So if you haven't already requested an extension, please be sure that you get it in on time. I graded your first assignments and posted those grades last week. I will talk more. We still have some people on extension, so I will talk more about that my next video, but I did leave comments for you as well. And then I graded your discussion forum posts. Again, everyone's still doing a good job. Overall, if you're missing points, it's either because you posted late or you didn't have enough posts. Again, we don't have a set number of replies or comments, but you must have multiple to get full points. And then just be sure that your replies and comments are robust. Having a one sentence, I agree with you, really like your post, isn't enough. We're wanting robust posts that continue the conversation. We also want you to be referring to the course materials, so you may have missed points as well. I've been trying to just leave comments about that, but I will start taking off more points, so be sure that your replies and comments are, substantive and further along the conversation, and maybe raise another issue, and again use the course materials as well. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to email me. So last week, week 4, you learned about the duties of bank directors and officers. You learned about insider transactions and also conflicts of interests. If you look at the learning outcomes from last week, you should now be familiar with the 2 primary fiduciary duties of bank directors and officers, and then also the related regulatory expectations. You should now understand the extent by which a bank may indemnify its directors and officers. And then finally, you should understand the limitations on insider transactions that are imposed by regs, OW, and then other conflicts of interest rules. We had 3 videos we wanted you to take a look at, and then there were some banking law sections to read, as well as various federal and state regulations. So that was for week 4. Now this week, week 5, you'll be learning about other bank charters, savings associations, industrial banks and non-bank banks, and credit unions. So basically for each of those, you'll learn the roles, the powers, and the history of each of what I just mentioned. So within the reading, there's, again, a banking law section, and then you'll be reading a GAO report, and also you'll be reading more information and kind of comparing credit unions and more information about credit unions. There are 3 videos that Professor DeLune has posted, so please make sure that you watch those 3. And that will be for week 5. And then looking ahead, week 6, you'll be learning about major bank regulations. And if you see on here, it says part 1. So there's 2 parts. So week 6 is part 1, and then week 7, we'll be continuing our discussion of major bank regulations. So that is for this week. So you want to make sure that you post in the discussion forum. You want to watch the videos. You want to do the reading. Optional office hours this week are with me Tuesday evening, 6 p.m. Pacific time. And then, again, a reminder, your second assignment is due this evening, June 3rd, by 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. If you have not already requested an extension, please be sure that you get it in to avoid any late penalties. And then your third assignment is due a week from today, so next Sunday, June 10th. And again, if you need an extension, you must contact me prior to next Sunday and make that request. So I know this video is short and sweet, but I haven't gotten many questions, and you all seem to be plugging along and doing well. So obviously, if you have any questions this week, give me a call, send me an email. And if you do want to talk, we can set up a call, but send me an email first. We can set something up. Or again, optional office hours, Tuesday evening, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So I hope you all have a great week, and I will be talking to you later. Thanks, everyone.